Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel One Two Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to redeem a code in Steam. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already installed the application and logged into my account. In case you have not done that or don't know how to, well, worry not, we have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to redeem a code. At the very top, you can see a button like this called as Games. Click on it right now. Well, once you do, these things will open up. From here, lots of options, namely activating a product, redeem a Steam wallet code and everything. Right now, all you want to do is click on this button that says redeem a Steam wallet code. Click on it. And once you are redirected to this page, simply enter your wallet code right here and just hit on continue. Likewise, follow any prompts if necessary. And guys, that is it. That's how you redeem a code in Steam. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.